Polymers are long chains of smaller identical molecules linked together. In this demonstration, we mix a liquid polymer with an activating solution to form a solid substance. The colored goo is a polysaccharide, meaning many sugars. The activator solution is calcium chloride, which allows cross-linking, where the polymers in the goo are linked together. At first, the polysaccharide does not solidify all the way through. It can be split and dipped back into the activator to seal the ends. The different colors of the polysaccharide or the goo can be blended together. Left overnight in the activator, the polymer becomes hardened and solidified all the way through. Left overnight to air dry, it dries out and forms the shape that it was left in. You can make your own polymer worms and springs in our makerspace.